Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete a board in Trello. So once you're inside Trello guys, in order to permanently delete the board, you want to click the three dots on the upper right hand side and go to close the board, and then you have the option to delete it. Now I want to show you in case you're inside another board, right? So let's say you were inside, I'm going to choose a different board here. So in case you're inside one board and you want to delete another board or close another board, you can always go to your boards on the left hand side, find a board that you want to delete or block or close, and just simply delete that board or access that board. Let's put it like that. Well, once you access the board, you do the same. You click the three dots on the upper right hand side, you close the board first, then click on close, and you'll have the option to permanently delete the board from here. So once you permanently delete the board will be deleted permanently. Now in case you don't want to delete the board from here, or you just want to close it for the time being, and then you want to permanently delete it later, there's a way how to do it. So once you're done, and once you're on another board, let's put it like that, click on boards on the left hand side, and you want to look towards the bottom here, and you will find view closed boards. You click on that and you'll find those closed boards, and you have the option here to permanently delete. So you click on delete again from here, it will be permanently deleted, and you will see that it's now deleted permanently. And that's it. That's how you permanently delete a board in Trello guys.